Hey everybody, this is Janie, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Community Health Project. The Community Health Project is a set of 3 linked papers that you're going to write over the course of this semester. And the first paper is the identifying your topic, picking your topic and telling me about it. This is just a one-page paper. It requires no research. You should just tell me what the topic is that you would like to write about, why you chose this topic, and a little bit about what you already know. Basically, what population might be affected by this topic, and what you might think some of the effects would be or some ways to prevent it. And lastly, please let me know why you want to learn about this topic, whether it's because it would enrich your life academically, it's relevant to your job, it's a health issue that affects someone in your family. You tell me why you think it's a good topic for you to research. As far as a health topic, you can pick any disease or form of injury or a behavior that leads to disease or injury. So, for example, you could pick heart disease or you could pick smoking tobacco, which contributes to heart disease. You could pick um, uh, a health issue that's really very individually experienced, or something that's more of a societal wide issue like homelessness. Generally, this paper is a little easier to write if you pick an injury or illness or health behavior that you can find information about at both the individual level and the community level. But most topics will work. The only thing that really won't work is something that cannot be prevented no matter what. Like one semester, I had a student who wanted to study the form of cancer his father had. It was an extremely rare form of cancer. Only about 3 people in the United States get that cancer, and nobody knows what causes it, and nobody knows how to prevent it. So it's hard to take a public health approach to that kind of a problem. That's more of a medical issue than it is a public health issue. So let me know this week what your topic is. I will give you feedback on it. The next 2 papers, so that you know what's coming up. The first one is focused on what the causes and the risk factors are, what leads to this disease or injury. The last paper you'll write is around solutions or prevention strategies, and in that paper you will describe some services or programs that address this disease, including at least one program in your own community. For example, if you chose the disease of alcoholism, in the first paper you would tell me the topic. In the second paper you would tell me some things that make somebody more at risk of becoming an alcoholic. And in the last paper, you would tell me about services either to treat alcoholics or to help young people not develop problem drinking. So that's what the Community Health Project is about. It's a chance for you to dig in depth to a public health point of view on one issue that matters to you. So I hope this is helpful. I'm really looking forward to your papers and to our discussions about it. Thanks a bunch.